What if one AI could build your entire app in 30 minutes? Front end, back end, payments, deployment, all it's done. DeepAgent does it all for $10 a month. No code, no developers, no waiting weeks. Let me show you exactly how this works. Okay, so here's what just happened. I told an AI agent to build me a complete lead generation tool for the AI Profit Boardroom. I gave it one prompt. 30 minutes later, I had a working app with user signups, Stripe payments, automated email delivery, and a custom dashboard. Everything worked. No code, no hiring developers, no weeks of back and forth. This is DeepAgent by Abacus AI. And it's not like the other AI tools you've tried. This thing actually builds stuff, real apps, real automations, real workflows that run on their own. Most AI tools give you one thing. ChatGPT writes text, Midjourney makes images, Claude codes a bit, but you're still the one doing all the work. You're copying, pasting, switching between tools, trying to make everything fit together. It's exhausting. DeepAgent doesn't do that. You give it a goal, it figures out every single step, it writes the code, it tests the code, it fixes the bugs, it deploys the app, it connects the APIs, it sets up the database, all of it. You just watch. Here's a real example. I wanted to build a lead scraper for the AI Profit Boardroom, something that finds businesses with terrible websites, grabs their contact info, and sends me a daily email with warm leads. That's usually a week-long project if you're coding it yourself. I opened DeepAgent, I typed this exact prompt, build a lead generation SaaS for the AI Profit Boardroom, users sign up, input their niche, and get daily scrape leads delivered via email. Include Stripe integration for payments and a dashboard to view lead history. That's it, one prompt. The agent kicked in. First, it made a plan. It showed me the architecture, React for the front end, Node for the back end, PostgreSQL database, user authentication, Stripe API for billing, email automation through SendGrid. It laid out every piece. Then it asked if I wanted to change anything. I told it to add a filter, so leads only show businesses with outdated designs. It updated the plan instantly. Then it started building. I watched it code in real time. It wrote the React components, built the backend routes, connected the database, set up the scraper to run daily, integrated Stripe, tested everything in a virtual environment, found bugs, fixed them, deployed the whole thing to a live URL. 28 minutes total. I had a working SaaS app. I tested it, signed up with a fake email, entered a niche, got a confirmation. The next day, leads hit my inbox, clean CSV file, business names, emails, website issues, everything I asked for. Now, here's where this gets wild. Most people think this is just for developers. It's not. You don't need to know code. You just need to know what you want. The clearer your prompt, the better it works. But even if you mess up, you can chat with it and fix things as it builds. Real quick, if you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like DeepAgent, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we teach you how to use AI agents, automation tools, and workflows to grow your business faster. We're talking real strategies, not hype. Jump in, learn the systems, and start building your own AI-powered tools. Links in the description. Let me show you what else this thing can do, because lead scrapers are just the start. You can build chatbots that sound exactly like you, upload your Twitter profile or a PDF of your content. DeepAgent creates a custom AI that talks like you. Use it for customer support. Use it to answer FAQs. It builds a live updating dashboard that refreshes automatically. No Excel, no manual data entry, just a clean interface with everything you need. You can automate job searches. Tell it what kind of job you want. It scrapes listings daily from multiple sites, filters them based on your resume, sends you a formatted email every morning with the best matches. You can even make AI video creators. Give it a script. It generates a video with an AI presenter, lip sync and everything, perfect for marketing reels or explainer videos. No filming, no editing, just a script and a finished video. And here's the part nobody talks about. DeepAgent uses multiple AI models at once, GPT-4, Claude, Gemini. It routes tasks to whichever model handles them best. You can even tell it which model to use in your prompt if you want more control. That's why the outputs are so good. It's not relying on one AI. It's using the best tool for every single step. Now, let's talk about how to actually use this thing the right way, because most people mess this up. They write vague prompts. They say stuff like, build me an app. That doesn't work. The agent pauses. It asks a million questions. You waste time. Here's the pro move. Front load everything. Tell it exactly what you want in the first prompt. Include the format, the features, the integrations, the design style. Be specific. The more detail you give up front, the faster it builds. Let's say you want to build a dashboard for the AI Profit Boardroom. Don't just say make a dashboard. Say this. Build a member dashboard for the AI Profit Boardroom. Show total members, active users this week, top performing posts, and engagement metrics. Use a clean design with dark mode. Pull data from our database and update it live. Add a filter to view stats by date range. See the difference? That prompt gives the agent everything it needs. It won't stop to ask questions, it'll just build. Another tip, you can chain tasks, tell it to build something, then add features, then deploy it, then set up automations. You can link 20 steps together. It'll do all of them in order. This is how you build full apps with databases, payment systems, and custom domains in one go. And here's a hidden gem. You can use browser automation, tell DeepAgent to track prices on a website and update a Google Sheet daily, or scrape competitor data and send it to Slack, or monitor job boards and email you when new listings appear. It controls the browser like a human, clicks buttons, fills forms, logs into sites, all automated. You can also integrate it with GitHub, tell it to review pull requests and suggest improvements, or audit your code base for bugs, or generate documentation. Developers are using this to cut code review time in half. But let's be real, this tool isn't perfect, and I'm going to tell you the stuff nobody else will. First, the limits. The basic plan is $10 a month, but you only get 3 tasks. That's not a lot. The pro plan is $20. You get more compute, but it's still capped. If you're building complex apps every day, you'll burn through credits fast. Second, if you write bad prompts, it fails. Vague requests cause errors. The agent gets stuck. It asks questions. You waste time. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to write clear prompts, this might frustrate you. There are other tools with unlimited runs that might fit better. Third, this isn't for production at scale. It's amazing for prototypes, for MVPs, for testing ideas fast. But if you need something running 24/7 with zero downtime, you'll need the enterprise plan. So here's who should use this: creators who want to build tools fast, founders who need to validate ideas before hiring developers, agencies automating client work. If you're technical, this is a dream. If you're a beginner, you'll still get value, but you need to practice your prompts. Let me compare this to other tools real quick. Manus AI does similar stuff, but it's $200 a month. DeepAgent is 10. GenSpark has unlimited tasks, but it's not as autonomous. DeepAgent is the best balance of power and price if you're building apps. Here's my advice: start small, build one simple automation, maybe a lead scraper or a chatbot or a dashboard. Get comfortable with how it works, then scale up, build bigger apps, chain more tasks, integrate with your tools, and always front load your prompts. The clearer you are, the faster you'll get results. Don't make the agent guess. Tell it exactly what you want. Right, here's the bottom line. DeepAgent is the closest thing we have to a do-everything AI agent. It builds apps, it automates workflows, it connects tools, and it does it all from one prompt. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to hire developers. You just need to know what you want to build. Give it a clear prompt, let it work, and you'll have a finished product in less time than it takes to watch a movie. This is how businesses are moving now: fast, automated, AI powered. If you're still doing everything manually, you're already behind. Go sign up, build something simple, test it.